'89 Camaro convertible, 305. Trying to get it running before I take it off the trailer. Rebuilding the throttle body now. It's all gummed up, full of stuff. You see that? That hole is completely clogged. These other ones ain't doing so hot. Letting my carburetor cleaner right in the face. Can't figure out why my car won't run right. Gee. I can't figure it out either, bud. Maybe because you never take care of it and it's dirtier than dog shit. That big old hunk of crap right there was in there. I mean, you don't got to be a mechanic to figure this kind of stuff out. I mean, if you get this much done and the car don't run, then you take it to a mechanic. But you don't need to take them to a mechanic until you've at least done this much for yourself. More brake cleaner in the eye. It's always fun. I had my glasses on, but I still got a little bit in the eye. Alright, well, we saw that it actually sprayed through that time, so that's cool. Afraid I'm gonna need another can, because this throttle body needs it. I don't know how many times I can spray myself in the face with carburetor cleaner in one video, but we'll see. Put my glasses on. Alright, well anyway, it's going to take a lot of cleaning to get this thing fixed up, so we'll see you on the next video.